Okay, I'm going to try to plug in this camera through the GoPro adapter, or plug in the microphone. This is a Rode Video Micro with appropriate headphone jack to the mic to the 3.5 adapter, which then goes into the side of the GoPro here. When I plug this in, it will not register on the camera, so let's slide over. Actually, that's not right. Let's slide down. Preferences. Okay, audio input. Usually this would say mic. When I plug this in, plugged in, audio input stays at NA. It is not selectable, but other things are. HDMI output is selectable, and all functions are towards the optional microphone out. Part of it I know is the settings here, manual audio control. And there is nothing that I could, stereo only. Go back, preferences, and go back down. Still nothing. Yeah, audio input does not comply. This did have something already. Before I uploaded or updated the phone, this whole setup actually worked, and now it does not. I'll also test the other one just so you can see. Okay, this is the second one plugged in. Audio input NA still. Same thing. This has happened with 3 different microphones and 2 different adapters. Thank you.